Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A3 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, just tap on those switchers to activate the date. We can tap on it and just by swiping change the date which we want to apply. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and it will be immediately applied. Here we can also change the time zone, just tap on it. And here we've got the list of all available time zones from which we can choose, so simply find yours and tap on it, for example this one. Here we can also decide whether we want to display dual clock, which means that you can show the clock with the time with the system time zone and the second clock with the hour from any other place in the world of your choice. So it's up to you, and basically this is the and I forgot about the time format, so you can use either 24-hour one or 12-hour format, totally up to you. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, and if you want to you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.